Maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
Hi guys, I'm here to do a tutorial with Boss Lash Club. I have two different looks. I have the Vixen, which is the ones I have on right now, and then I have the Goddess, which is a way more dramatic look. And I'm going to show you how I wear these eyelashes. I love these eyelashes and they last me a really long time. So I have really small lashes or eyes, so I have to measure out the eyelash to my eye, and then I'll cut the end corners on the outer corners. About that much.
Talk again. I don't want to dream forever.
Here's the glue it comes with. Put it right on the edge. And then I put it down and let it kind of dry a little bit before I put it on my eye, because then it can get messy.
It's my wish. I'll be.
So I'll typically put on the glue, then do my mascara and kind of mess around a little bit with my makeup, and then while that's drying, and then put them on. And it comes with this cool tool.
She bring me everything that I need now. Promise I'll be good, I promise I'll be grateful. Yeah, I will go the extra mile and even turn the tables.